Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. Today we're going to do a slow cooked chipolata casserole. But first, let's have a cup of tea. Right, let's begin. Your chipolata casserole. You shall need 12 chipolatas. I've got 15 because I need to use some up. I think you can possibly use some vegetable ones. I suppose it just as long as the skin holds up. 4 carrots. You need 2 onions. I'm going to use a red onion and a normal onion. Normally add a potato in as well, but I've completely forgotten that. Rosemary and thyme, which I've completely forgot. I didn't realise I didn't have. Yes, shocking. So I'm just going to use some spices which smell floury and earthy to me. Tin tomatoes, 400 gram tin. Some concentrated, double concentrated tomato. An Oxo cube, though you could do any sort of stock cube or stock sauce, whatever you want. Right, now first we're going to need to slice up the carrots and we need to fry them in some oil. I would use butter, but the butter will burn. Right, so we're just frying the onions. I'm just going to do it until they soften. And we'll do the same with the onions as well. And we'll add them to the pot. So we've got some colour on there. Focus. So we're going to add it to my pot. Pot cam! Right, now it is time to brown your sausages. Hopefully we'll get some flavour. We're not looking to cook them here, we're just looking to get some colour on the skin. Obviously we don't want to burn them, we just want to get some nice colour. Will you turn round? Do not do this at home. Well, actually, you can do whatever you want at home. But this is how you burn your hands. Right, so I'm going to do that so they're brown all over, and then they shall be added to the pot. With the sausages done, add to the pot. Oh, hang on, I was supposed to chop those sausages into bits. Chop them in half. Before you stick it in your pot. There you go. All the chipolatas are now chopped. No one will ever know my mistake. Now, with 250 millilitres or just about half a pint of boiling water. Make yourself a cup of tea at the same time. I can't see the measurement for that. We're going to want to, I think it's called deglazing the pan. So I'll put that in. Need to put the tomato puree in. Oh, this would be much easier if I had one of those thingy bobs. Splodge. Splodge. Oh, get in there. And you know what, I did this to... Why have I not got this on the stand? Right. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Oh no. I've got beefy hands. Really. Right, I need to go and clear up. Be right back. Right, so the reason we are doing this, I think, is to deglaze the pan. Although, why did I put the Oxo cube in here? Why did I? Maybe just put the Oxo cube straight into the... I think that does seem a bit weird. Okay, so we are going to do that. Oh, and apparently I'm going to get it everywhere. Dear oh dear. Time for pot cam. Pot cam. Now it's time for pot cam because we're going to add the rest in. So we're going to add some herbs. This is where you put your rosemary and thyme in, and I don't have any. This is also where I normally get moaned at going, oh my god, measure with a spoon. But I'm sure this is fine. I forgot to also have some pepper. I'm sure that's enough pepper. This is where you would also stick in your potato as well. I'm sure the tapping is going to be lovely for the camera. So now we are going to lose the spoon. There's the spoon. Mix this all in. And we're going to shove this on low for 8 hours. Or you could shove it on high for 4 hours. Don't have to pre-cook. Well, sorry, I haven't pre-cooked it. The chipolatas haven't been pre-cooked, so if you don't want to sort of give everything a nice, well, the outer edge or the texture on the outer edge, you can just bung everything in and be done with it. Right, let's shove this on high for 8 hours. Right then. So I'm going to do this for 8 hours. 4 hours on high. 8 hours on low. I'll try and do some pot cam. No, I can't because the battery's out. Right, let's recharge the battery. 3 hours in. And I was hungry, so I've chucked it on high for the last 2 hours just to speed it up a bit. Oh, lovely and steamy. I can't get away with the rude sounds on this, so the ASMR you're gonna have to get used to. Oh, and I put some peas in because I couldn't be bothered to cook them separately, so I thought 2 hours to go, I'll just chuck them in. Let's serve it and have a go. And there we go. Presented in my normal, just slap it in the bowl type fashion. So, yes, let's go. I really want some potatoes with that. I'm going to do some microwave mashed potatoes and I'll finish it off. Right, so if you try it yourself, don't burn your fingers. And yes, don't call the goodbye.